Hello students. Now today we will discuss about Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction is actually alkylation or acylation of aromatic ring and that gives the high alkylated product and the reaction is carried out in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride AlCl3. Like in alkylation, this is benzene ring. Benzene ring now reacts with CH3Cl, methyl chloride, in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Here, formation of C6H5CH3 toluene with elimination of HCl. Toluene is formed. So benzene ring get alkylated with addition of methyl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, and this reaction is called Friedel-Crafts reaction. So I repeat, Friedel-Crafts reaction is alkylation or acylation of aromatic ring to give high alkylated product in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Now taking simple example, benzene ring reacts with methyl chloride under anhydrous AlCl3 presence, formation of toluene is obtained. How this reaction happens? First, mechanism of these reactions, then some different reactions of Friedel-Crafts. Mechanism. In Friedel-Crafts, in first step, this CH3Cl, methyl chloride or alkyl halide with anhydrous AlCl3 here breaking off this bond and formation of methyl carbonium ion CH3 free positive with Cl negative. The Cl negative reacts with AlCl3 and forms AlCl4 minus because AlCl3 is a Lewis acid. It's a Lewis acid. That's why the Cl minus get attached with this AlCl3. In second step, this is benzene ring. Benzene ring, double bond in alternate order pi chain is present, pi ring of electrons. Now attack of CH3 positive. Since in benzene ring due to resonance, these pi are present in alternate order and here CH3 positive attacks at this position. So formation of this, here hydrogen H and CH3 get attached and positive charge appears at this ortho position and a strain appears in the bond. This pi electron taken by the CH3 makes a bond, hydrogen is already attached, so this ortho position positive charge appears. In due to resonance, this shifting of pi electrons, so structure formed is this. This is CH3 H double bond positive at para position now. Next resonating structure, this pi comes here. So next structure will be this. This methyl and hydrogen attached here. Double bond positive again at ortho position. So overall we can say the resonance hybrid of this will be CH3 with hydrogen and positive charge in overall ring. In next step, AlCl4 minus attacks here. So hydrogen loses its electron here, results toluene CH3. Toluene is formed plus H plus and Cl minus HCl with AlCl3. Since it's a catalyst, obtained as such without involved in making the product. प्रोडक्ट में बिना इन्वॉल्व हुए ये AlCl3 एज सच ऑब्टेन्ड हो जाता है एंड द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म्ड विल बी टोलुइन वेयर HCl इज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट. सो फ्रीडल-क्राफ्ट रिएक्शन की ये मैकेनिज्म है जिसमें ड्यू टू रेजोनेंस यहाँ से H प्लस रिलीज होता है और एक एल्कीनेटेड बेंजीन ऑब्टेन्ड हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ फ्रीडल-क्राफ्ट इन एल्काइलेशन, स्पेशली if in place of CH3Cl we take CH3 CH2 CH2Cl reacts with benzene with anhydrous AlCl3 then product formed will be cumene. The product formed will be cumene this with elimination of HCl. This is 1-chloropropane. This reaction is for competitive aspirants. competitive aspirants के लिए रिएक्शन है. अगर हम यहाँ पर CH3 CHCl CH3 2-chloropropane लेते हैं देन प्रोडक्ट सेम फॉर्मेशन होगा, क्यूमीन का फॉर्मेशन होगा. सिंपली इट इज कॉल्ड क्यूमीन. नाउ हियर 1-chloro or 2-chloropropane with benzene under in presence of anhydrous Cl3 gives cumene. So how it happens? It happens under rearrangement. Because more stable carbonium ion will be major product. जो मोर स्टेबल कार्बोनियम आयन होगा वही मेजर प्रोडक्ट बनाएगा. सो ये कैसे पॉसिबल है कि 1-chloro और 2-chloro में से क्यूमीन का ही फॉर्मेशन होगा. सो इसके स्टेप्स को समझ लेते हैं. लाइक इन दिस CH3 CH2 CH2Cl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, breaking up this bond. Now chlorine takes Cl, all the electrons of sharing. So CH3 CH2 CH2 positive and formation of AlCl4 minus. This is primary carbonium ion. Now here or we can note it like this: CH3 CH CH2 positive. Here rearrangement takes place. In rearrangement, this hydrogen loses its electron and gives here to this position, comes here, get attached, and positive charge appears here. Due to shifting of this hydrogen here, it's a category of rearrangement. So positive charge appears at secondary position. This is CH3. It was primary carbonium ion and this is secondary carbonium ion. And we know secondary carbonium ion is more stable than primary carbonium ion. That's why cumene is obtained. The attachment will be through CH. I repeat the mechanism. In 1-chloropropane, when reacts with anhydrous AlCl3, primary carbonium ion is formed that undergoes rearrangement for more stability and results secondary carbonium ion. Since secondary carbonium ion is more stable than primary, that's why this will give the major product. It is in the case of 1-chloro. If we take 2-chloro, then no rearrangement takes place. Why? Because in 2-chloro, simply secondary carbonium is obtained with anhydrous AlCl3. Now here Cl takes its electron. Positive charge appears at secondary position because halogen is attached at secondary position. So no rearrangement. No rearrangement. While in the case of 1-chloropropane, rearrangement takes place for more stability of carbonium ion. Taking next, after alkylation, acylation. In Friedel-Crafts, acylation means shifting of RCO group, acyl group like CH3COCl, acetyl chloride reacts with benzene. So see the reaction, this is benzene ring. In benzene ring, reaction of CH3COCl with anhydrous AlCl3. Now here attack of this CH3CO, elimination of hydrogen, here COCH3, and for elimination of HCl. So when acyl group substitutes hydrogen from nucleus with anhydrous AlCl3, it's Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction for CH3COCl. It will be called as acetylation reaction. When acyl group, RCO group, R may be CH3, C2H5 and so on. So taking CH3 here, it becomes acetyl group. So acylation is called acetylation here because acetyl group get attached here. Next is, if in place of CH3COCl we take anhydride like CH3CO, CH3CO reacts with benzene. It's also category of acetylation with anhydrous AlCl3. Now hydrogen is displaced by this CH3CO. This hydrogen attached here with CH3COO. So formation of CH3COOH, along with it this benzene ring substituted hydrogen by acetyl. So this is also a category of acetylation, that is acylation of benzene ring with anhydrous AlCl3. So Friedel-Crafts reactions are those in which aromatic ring is alkylated or undergoes acylation in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, and reactions and mechanism everything वो मैंने सब क्लियर कर दिया है. So this is all about for Friedel-Crafts reaction. Thank you everybody.